In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order on your eBay account. A handy skill if you've made an accidental purchase or simply changed your mind. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, ensuring you're equipped with the knowledge to handle this task with ease. First, you'll want to open Google Chrome on your device and head over to the eBay website. Once you're there, signing into your account is your first priority. Simply enter your login credentials like your username and password and click Sign In. This should lead you to your eBay homepage. If you encounter any issues logging in, be sure to double check your credentials or use the Forgot Password option to reset your access. With successful sign-in out of the way, it's time to access your purchase history. On the top right of the screen, you'll find My eBay. That's your central hub for all account functionalities. Hover over it and select Purchase History from the drop-down menu. This section is conveniently designed to show the details of all your recent transactions, making it easy to keep track of your purchases and any necessary follow-up actions. After getting into your purchase history, you'll want to locate the specific order that you are aiming to cancel. Look carefully through the list to find the item in question. You can use the visual aids and order details that are displayed to make sure you're targeting the right transaction. If your order list is extensive, use the search box to save time and go directly to the desired item. Once you have the order visible on your screen, look for the More Actions button associated with it. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Cancel Order. This is an important step as it officially starts the cancellation process. Be cautious here to ensure you select the right option. Next, you'll be prompted to provide a reason for your cancellation from a list of options. This might include reasons such as purchasing the item by mistake or needing to modify your order. Choose the one that best fits your situation. After selecting your reason, the next step is to submit your cancellation request. This step formalizes your desire to cancel and sends your request to the seller. It's essential to do this carefully as it ensures the process is initiated properly on both ends, yours and the seller's. Now comes the waiting period. The seller must confirm the cancellation or process your refund if applicable, so keep an eye on your order status in your purchase history and be on the lookout for any notifications from eBay. Once the seller confirms the cancellation, everything should be finalized and you're all set. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of canceling an eBay order. This can be particularly useful in managing your online shopping activities efficiently. We hope you found this guide helpful and